Jennifer Wells. We participated in a swap in the Loaded Envelope Galore and More Facebook group. I was the host, and what I did for the swap was create a 3D locker. I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. I did include a free SVG file, so if you would like to make one as well, it would be great to use to put your kids' school pictures in, I think. So we'll hold 2 albums, but for the swap, we created one. The requirements were to only create 1 album to put in the locker, but it will hold 2. So she sent this really sweet note, and she made everything coordinate. It is all the school theme. Even the outside of the box had stickers, and then the shred on the inside were colors that were related to the paper that she used. So thank you so much, Jennifer. And I'm just going to start at the top, although I know this is not the locker, but she even used washi tape, so I wanted to show that. She even used washi tape, you know, with the ruler. I'll just pull this out. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful bag topper. I'll scoot this over so I can hold it back. Oh, and she has gifted me some of these beautiful embellishments. So when I put pictures in the album, I could even use these. So thank you so much. And look at her bow. That is gorgeous. And I love how she's sewn the paper and everything. And I love that paper. It looks like a legal tablet. So pretty. And then oh, I love this. Her bag toppers are so pretty. Oh gosh, okay, goody. She made it where I don't have to sew the bag. Thank you so much. Oh. So she has gifted me some of these adorable little like journaling cards. And they are from the Etsy shop, KB and Friends. She said they were too cute not to include. I agree. I love these. So cute. Library cards, rather, not journaling cards, but library cards. Those are so cute. I'll have to check that Etsy store out. So cute. Thank you so much. Those are adorable. Oh, something else in there. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Let me just shake it. There we go. Oh, and look at these bows. These are adorable. Look at the ribbon. She has like carried that theme all the way through. Let me turn it down like this so we can see everything. And then there's even some little apple sequins. I love these ribbons that she's found. So cute. I love these. Oh, and she gifted me some of the washi tape and some of this little school ribbon. So cute. Thank you so much. I love that. Here, slide all that over. She has everything wrapped so nice. I hate just tearing it open, but I will. Oh, look at these. I love these. Some pencil shakers. How cute are those? I wonder if that's a silhouette file. That is so cute. Of course, you know, we've got to do the shake. And look at the bag topper. So cute. I need to be better about making bag toppers. I'm a slacker. So, oh, and she's gifted me some candy. My grandson will love these. She's got them wrapped really pretty with some twine. Yes, he will definitely steal these. So thank you so much. My granddaughter's 1, so she's not quite ready for the suckers quite yet. Okay, let's see. Just trying not to, I'm just going to throw the tissue. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Jennifer. Sorry for the crinkling. Let me see if I can get it. That is stunning. And then look at the top, at that bow that she has on top. That is beautiful. And again, all of the ribbon that matches. Oh, and I think this is authentic paper, and I love this star border that she's put, and then she's got hello, and of course the little ephemera pieces, and look at that gorgeous flower cluster, a little lock, and then star student. This is just absolutely beautiful. And then the really pretty paper on the back, and she's stitched all the way around, and then another really pretty cluster on the side. And see, I didn't put anything on the sides of mine because I didn't want to cover the paper up. So I guess I should have. It looks so pretty. And then she has Velcro holding it shut. Whoops, that's falling out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. She has put all kinds of stuff in here. Thank you so much. Okay, let's just go ahead and take the album out and look at the inside. Let me get the light. So she has even a cluster on the inside, and I love this paper. I'm going to have to get some. I do believe it, as I said earlier, I think it's authentic. This is just beautiful. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much. I'll set it in the background. We can see it. And then look at this album. This is gorgeous. And she even did sequins on the side. This is gorgeous, and I love her charm. Oh, beautiful. And then she has the ribbon. Oh, and look how she did these little tickets. Oh, beautiful. See, I never would have thought of that. So creative, Jennifer. Look at those. Gorgeous. Oh, let me see here. This one. Let me see. These open. Oh, I just love this paper so much. Hope I'm in frame. So pretty. I love it. She's got her stitching. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Just incredible work. Such attention to detail. I love these. And I think these are from the Silhouette store. I want to say I have seen those, but I could be wrong. They could be a die. Okay. And I'm just going to set that there so you can admire it. And then just look at the theme she has carried all the way through. I absolutely love that. So pretty. And then she has this on a pin, so I can save that. And let's see here. Open the pillow box up. Oh, and she gifted me some really chunky rosettes. Okay. There's one more in there. And I can't get it out. Okay, let's see. Let me try to get it out this side. Get my fingers to work. Well, maybe there's two in there. Let's see. You take a sucker and push them out. There we go. So, oh, one more. Oh, look how she did these. And then she's did little, the pattern from the paper. I can't talk. How precious are these? And I like how she's did them really thick. I've never seen them done like this before. And of course she had glitter in the little pillow box. This is adorable. Thank you so much. Oh, lunch notes. How cute. I've never seen this. And of course the grandkids are not in school yet, so I'm out of the loop. These are adorable. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. Thank you so much. And then look at this big bottle of sequin mix. It has pom-poms in there, and it coordinates with the paper so well. Everything is just perfect. Thank you so much, Jennifer, and thanks for swapping with me. I really appreciate it, and thanks for participating in the group so much. We really enjoy having you there. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.